movie tomorrow night at 9 is Cartoon. It's the story of General Gordon, who is sent to the Sudan to evacuate the city of Khartoum. Major Ego is the title of MASH after that.
Charles wordt nog meer onuitstaanbaar as ooit tevore nadat hy 'n pasiënt se lewe red. En om mee af te sluit ons musiekkonsert, die tweede deel van TV4 Rock and Roll Party.
From 4, a very good night.
Lekker slaap.